Okay, what we're going to do is take you through the removal of the bell housing on a 1600 mechanical clutch gearbox. As you can see, here's the lever, and we just took the bearing, the throw-out bearing off. That's your mechanical lever for your throw-out bearing. So we'll just pop this off. As you look in here, you can see here's your reverse light switch. You don't have to remove that, that's part of the bell housing. However, what you do need to do is you need to start by just threading out the wires for the reverse light switch so that you don't damage those. You can unscrew that, but no need, you can just pull that through the clamp and leave that loose. Now what we do is you'll need a size 17, 15 and 13 are popular sizes on Alphas, and if you just get in there and start to remove the nuts. These weren't torqued on from what we could see, so they've come off pretty easily. In fact, you should be able to, in most cases, just remove them by hand once you've started, unless you've got any issues with corrosion and the like. Always start at the bottom, work your way to the top, work diagonally as well. That way you've got the weight being borne or retained at the top as you start to remove things. This is the gearbox that came with our project car. While it's turning and we've drained all the fluids, we're finding there is a little bit of play, and we're just opening it up to investigate to see if there's anything alarming. Once we've taken these off, there's nothing else that's stopping the bell housing from being removed, so we'll just take a piece of timber. We don't have a rubber mallet with us at the moment, so we'll take a piece of timber and a hammer, and we'll just gently tap the bell housing and see if that moves and separates. So you've only got one area here to worry about, one seam, and we don't have any gaskets or any sealant that's in this area here. Different for the clamshells themselves. So now this bell housing should be able to come off, and we'll just gently tap it. You can see that's cracked straight away. It's moving readily, quite easy. And looking at the back end of the bell housing as it's come off, don't see too much concern. Bit of oil down the bottom, and as you go into it now, what you can see is your bearings, your seal, and you get an idea of some of the oil that's coming out of it. Shaft looks okay. Nothing that we've seen here at the moment that causes us any great alarm.